End of a love story. Kim Chu kinumpirma hiwalayan kay Sian Lim. Kinumpirma na ng aktres na si Kim Chu na hiwalay na sila ng kanyang long-time boyfriend na si Sian Lim. Sa kanyang social media accounts, sinabi ni Kim na tinapos na nila ni Sian ang kanilang relasyon. It took me a while to say this, until today, panimula ni Chu. Sinabi niya rin na kailangan malaman ng kanilang mga supporters ang estado ng relasyon ng dalawa. We owe our supporters the truth, but we also respect each other's time of healing. In a relationship, love is always a significant factor, but sometimes love is not enough, ani Kim. Dagdag pa niya, we shared more than a decade of love, each other's support system, and many beautiful memories. It was our mutual decision to transition our relationship into what we hope to be a lifelong friendship. Nagpasalamat si Kim sa mga sumuporta at nagmahal sa kanila ni Sian. We thank all our followers for their love and support, but now we ask you to appreciate our honesty and give us the privacy we need as we begin new chapters of our lives. To all our supporters, maraming salamat for all the love and understanding. Madamdamin naman niyang pinasalamatan si Sian sa naging samahan ng dalawa. Lastly, Tashi, thank you for the almost 12 years of beautiful memories together one can never imagine. You will always have a place in my heart. Thank you for showing me what love is. Humihingi ang aktres ng respeto sa publiko at hayaan daw silang mag-move on at magpatuloy sa kani-kanilang buhay.